What if I told you that time does not pass the same for everyone, that two people can disagree about when something happened and both be right, and that gravity isn't really a force at all? This is not science fiction. This is Einstein's theory of relativity, and it changed reality forever. For over 200 years, Newton's laws ruled the universe. They explained motion, forces, planets, and falling apples. But then, something strange appeared. Light. No matter how fast you moved, light always traveled at the same speed. That made no sense under classical physics. Reality was breaking, and it needed a new explanation. Relativity does not mean everything is subjective. It means something very specific. Space and time depend on how you move. But the laws of physics, they remain the same for everyone. No preferred observer, no absolute frame of rest. Einstein made a bold claim. The speed of light is constant for everyone. Even if you chase it at near light speed, light still moves away from you. At the same speed, to make this true, something else had to change. Not light, reality itself. Time does not flow universally. If you move fast enough, time slows down for you. This is called time dilation. A clock on a spaceship ticks slower than a clock on Earth. Not by illusion, by physics. Imagine twins. One travels through space near the speed of light, the other stays home. When the traveler returns, they are younger. Time truly passed differently for them. Time isn't the only thing that bends. Space does too. Objects moving at high speeds shrink in the direction of motion. This is called length contraction. At extreme speeds, reality becomes flexible. There is no universal present. Two observers moving differently can disagree on whether events happened at the same time. Both are correct. The universe has no single clock. Einstein unified space and time into one structure. Space. Events don't just happen in space or in time. They happen in spacetime. And spacetime can bend. Then Einstein made an even more shocking discovery. Gravity is not a force. It is the curvature of spacetime itself. Mass tells spacetime how to bend. Spacetime tells matter how to move. Planets don't fall because they're pulled. They follow curved paths through warped space. You don't feel gravity. You feel resistance. The ground pushes you upward while spacetime tries to pull you forward. Freefall feels weightless because you're following spacetime perfectly. When mass becomes extreme, spacetime bends infinitely. A black hole is born. Near it, time slows dramatically. At the event horizon, time nearly stops. To a distant observer, time appears frozen at the edge. To the falling observer, time continues normally. Reality depends on perspective. Relativity isn't abstract. GPS satellites experience weaker gravity and higher speed without correcting for time dilation. Your phone would be wrong by kilometers. Einstein keeps your maps working. Some physicists believe past, present, and future all exist. Time may not flow. We may simply move through it. This is called the block universe. If space-time is complete, then the future may already be there, waiting, unchanged. If time is relative, what does free will mean? Are we choosing or experiencing choices already written? Relativity doesn't to answer this, but it forces us to ask. Relativity reshaped physics, technology, and philosophy. It revealed that reality is not rigid. It is dynamic, flexible, and deeply strange. Einstein showed us something profound. Time is not a ticking clock. Space is not an empty stage. Gravity is not a pull. Reality is geometry. If this video changed how you see time and reality, give it a like. Subscribe for more deep science explained simply, because the universe is stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined.